Welcome. In front of me is a OPPO Reno 12 Pro, and today I will show you how we can enable power saving mode on this device. So to get started, pull down your notifications by swiping down from the top of your screen like so, and then swipe down in this area once more to extend the list of visible toggles. Obviously we're looking for power saving mode, so it might be visible on other pages, so you want to swipe to the left, and you can see there it is for me, power saving mode. It looks like the battery with a little lightning inside of it. Once you see it, you can simply tap on it. Unfortunately, there is no information what it will be changing. Let's see if we have any if we hold it. So we have a couple infos in here. So power saving mode, let's see under learn more. Okay, so here we actually have a pretty decent list of changes that will be happening. So this is a very comprehensive description. Thank you, OPPO. That's the way you're supposed to do it. So going over this, because some of these might actually matter to some people, we have things like the performance and background tasks. This section right here will be the most important one and the only one that I'm gonna focus on. So optimize the system resources, meaning it's gonna close off applications in the background. Limits background activity. Again, closing apps in the background. Disable a lock for recent applications. So this is when you do this somewhere here. You can lock these applications somehow. I don't remember how. But yeah, you basically lock them so when you go to clear recent, it actually won't close it. So that's what it refers to. So that would be disabled, and disable background syncing. Now this one will be the most important one. What that refers to is the connectivity to Wi-Fi and mobile data. It's not well described on any device, so I'm going to do that right now. So connection to Wi-Fi and mobile data will be basically turned off when you're not using the device. This is what it refers to. So when the device goes to sleep mode, which this would be considered sleep mode, it disconnects. And because of that, you won't be getting any kind of notifications that are relying on internet connection. So that would be any kind of messages, emails and stuff like that from, for instance, WhatsApp, Facebook, Messenger, and so on. All these applications will not give you any kind of notifications as long as you're not using the device. Whenever you wake it up like this, the device should automatically reconnect and then sync up everything that was missing. But there is a chance, as it is technically disabling background syncing, I don't know if it considers background as in when you're not using the device, or even it might be considering it like even right now. So as an example, you might not be getting email syncing right now. And if that is the case, you might need to open up the application that you want to have the notifications synced. So if you're looking for an email and it's not giving you that pop-up and you know that you got an email as an example, you need to open up your email application and then refresh it yourself, and it should at that point sync it up. I don't think it's going to be this egregious, but I just want to warn you, as this is going to be very important to a lot of people, as having a phone and notifications being delivered to you on time is crucial to some people. So I do want to stress on that. Now, once you're done with the power saving mode, you can turn it off quickly by finding the toggle once again and disabling it by tapping on it. And obviously, this would also disable the disabling of auto syncing. So your device would go back to functioning normally as it did before. So with that being said, hopefully you found this video helpful, and if you did, don't forget to smash like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.